Imagine you're working in a factory. A conveyor suddenly stops. The real question isn't just why it stopped. The real question is, how does the machine know what to do next? A traffic light never chooses a random color. It always knows its current state: red, yellow, green, and only certain changes are allowed. Machines work exactly the same way. At any moment, they are always in one specific state. As machines become more complex, thousands of independent conditions become impossible to manage. Engineers solve this by organizing behavior into states. This way of organizing machine behavior is called a finite state machine, often shortened to FSM. Once you recognize states, you start seeing them everywhere: traffic systems, elevators, manufacturing, warehouse automation, even robots. Throughout this series, we'll use this conveyor system to explore every state, every transition, and every engineering decision that makes industrial automation reliable.